This is the rack mountable UBS ZTEC brand. Uh, this is the AB160 I 2 kVA. The first before the install the extra charger into the UBS, we must open the housing above of the UBS. This is the inside the UBS 2 kVA. You see, this is the extra charger board. This charger we install the inside. The input this charger will be connected to the AC connector with the neutral line in the insert. The line insert this. The output charger is to connect to the battery position. The positive connect here and the negative connect here into the main, and with the communication with the charger to the main Y couple. Yes, connect here. That's finished. After that, where we will allow the housing. That's all. Good luck.